Here we have something a little different. This is a Polestar 2 long range Pilot Plus dual motor all-wheel drive. This car produces 402 brake horsepower, so as you can appreciate, it's quite a rapid machine. This is in Thunder Grey, which is actually a metallic. But you've got to look very closely, but you can see that sort of little sheen shining through there. Polestar 2 making great inroads now worldwide. It is truly a lovely car. Of course, we've ended up with this car because essentially, well, underneath it started life as a Volvo. So Polestar is more or less 50%, nearly 50% owned by Volvo themselves. So there's a lot of shared technology and some of the fittings as well. I'll take you inside and just show you inside the vehicle. This has what they call grey Weave Tec textile upholstery. This is a vegan option. Take you inside the car. As you can see, electric seat and so on. That's with memory as well. This car has a big panoramic glass roof. It's not an opening roof, just a glass roof. Here we have the main screen, of course. Big tablet in the middle. Apple CarPlay, Spotify. Main display for adjustments. You can have one pedal drive if you like, so that's essentially regenerative braking as to how strong you want it. We've got driver support, so you've got adaptive cruise and so on this, roadside information, collision avoidance, BLIS, as you know, as you'd expect, I think, on a car like this. And hailing from Volvo, very safety conscious. This car's done 9,000 miles, as you can see there, 9,200 miles. It's one owner, one private owner, local to us here, in well, excellent order throughout. In actual fact, Harman Kardon audio in here as well. So it's a nice place to be. Inductive charging for your phone down here. I'll just show you around into the boot area as well. Massive boot. You've got underfloor storage as well in here. This car is also fitted with a retractable tow bar, semi-electric tow bar. So we drop that one down, and the tow bar appears. Ooh. And then you just press the button again to release it and fold it away. So there we have it. Delivery on this car new now is about 5 months, and list currently is £57,700. So we've got this up for sale at, you know, quite a reasonable saving on that, and of course you can have it straight away. So please have a look online. You can always leave a holding deposit, the reservation fee of £99 at www.seymourhorwell.com, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.